back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today we are getting into another skincare product review. If you are interested and want all the deets and a demo on this Rose face mask by Fresh, let's go ahead and get right into this video. This is the Rose face mask infused with real rose petals, soothes and tones the skin. The one I have is 1 fluid ounce. I'm so excited to be reviewing this mask for you guys. It is probably one of my favorite masks to use because it's simple, it's easy. Masks like this, you guys, are not cheap, but you still want to know what you're getting into before you actually buy a mask. And that is why I'm here with another product review. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let's get into this Rose face mask. So this mask is an instant hydrating mask. It does carry real rose petals and it smells just like the rose scent. It smells really good. If you like the rose scent, you will love this. If you don't like the way roses smell, you're not gonna like this because it smells just like that, but it has a nice clean scent. It's not a perfumey scent. The texture of this mask I feel is very unique. It has a gel-like consistency and I like that. Still apply it with the brush just because I don't want to dip my hands in it, even if my hands are clean. I just feel like applying it with the brush makes more sense to me. And applying it with the brush, even though it is a gel, it is super easy. It doesn't slide off. It doesn't get messy. It applies straight to your skin with no problem. So this product is for normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, or oily skin. So pretty much all skin types. So if you're worried about having oily skin and you're not sure if you can use a gel mask, you can. It is safe to use. I mean, at least that's what it says. And I have oily skin and I have used this on multiple occasions and it hasn't done anything to harm my skin. I want to talk about the highlighted ingredients in this mask. I did pull it up so that I don't miss anything. It has pure rose water, and that is meant to soothe and tone. It has cucumber extract and aloe vera gel, which you guys know aloe vera gel is great for your skin. Helps soothe the skin and have immediate cooling and calming effect. It has a smart algae in it, which delivers optimum moisture. You can definitely smell the cucumber in this mask. Also, now that I think about it, you definitely can smell the cucumber. So it has a nice mixture of rose and cucumber. So if you like a fresh scent like that, then you would like this mask. This mask is meant to calm and brighten the skin. I love it because it's for soothing. When I first went to get this mask, I heard so many great things about it. And I'm like, okay, let me try it for myself and see if it's something that works for me. Packaging here, it does say it soothes and tones. That's what got my attention. I'm always looking for something to soothe my skin, especially when I'm experiencing hormonal acne and I know that it's the time of the month. Still want to indulge in my skincare routine, but I want to make sure I'm using products that are soothing to my skin because around the time of the month, my skin can get sore, it can get inflamed, and it's just not the comfortable skin that I have around that time. If I haven't already, I'll be showing you guys a demo of how I use the mask, how my skin looks after I apply the mask. You're gonna see that I have water left on my skin, and that's just because I like to place my next step of skincare routine while my face is a little wet. If you look closely, you'll even see a little bit of the rose petal specks on my skin while I apply the mask. This is labeled as clean beauty at Sephora. So if you're into clean beauty and you're looking for clean products, this product here, this mask, is labeled as clean at Sephora. It does have hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, you guys know, it helps implement moisture back into the skin, and that is exactly what this mask does. Directions say apply to cleanse damp skin, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse with water. It can be used daily. I use it maybe once a week, just depending on what I feel my skin needs. I really feel like I should use it more. As I'm rinsing the mask off of my face after I've let it sit, I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And as I'm rinsing the mask off of my face, it just feels like you just feel the hydration. It's not a mask where it just comes off right when you apply the water. Like, I use cool water because it does close your pores, so it doesn't feel like you're just rinsing it completely off. I think it's actually soaking into the skin more as you are rinsing it off, and I love that. It kind of feels like you're putting a moisturizer on your skin. So you just keep going in with the cool water. You can either pat dry your face or leave your skin damp for your next skincare products, which is what I like to do. Removing this mask is just as satisfying as placing it on the skin. Afterwards, my skin feels so soft and it feels soothed. It feels like it's calmed down. Right now I have like a little friend up here that's hanging out that wants to come out, and it was so sore prior to the mask, And after I did it, you guys, rinsed my skin, did my skincare routine, it just kind of faded away. The feeling of it being sore faded away, like it's still underneath the surface. I don't know if you really can see it, but the feeling of the irritation just faded. And that is what this mask is meant to do. It is meant to soothe the skin and protect the skin. And I just love using products like that, especially when they're gonna do it. If a product says it's gonna do something, I use it and it does it, I will spend my money. I will spend my money. This mask, you guys, not only brightens the skin and plumps the skin, it is great for dark circles. It is great for fine lines. It is great for wrinkles. So if you are someone who suffers from those, or even if you want to be proactive and prevent, you still can use the mask to do so. We are going to age, you guys, but like I say, let's age gracefully. Let's take care of our skin. Let's not wait until later when we're trying to figure out what to do to get rid of this. I don't feel like wrinkles and fine lines, those things are not going to be gone. They're not going to just go away. I mean, if you have Botox or something like that, yes, but products are not going to make these things go away. They're just going to make them smoother. It's going to make your skin brighter. It's going to make your skin bouncy. It's going to make your skin plump. We want nice, plump, bouncy, beautiful, glowing skin, and that is exactly what this mask does for the skin. Now, using it consistently, you'll see a difference. Using a product, you guys, once here and there, or whenever you feel like it, it's not really going to do anything. You're spending your money on to use a product that's going to be effective for your skin, right? Well, you have to use it more than once, especially if you want to give the product a fair shot. How can you say you like a product if you don't really use it? Now, if it aggravates your skin, stop using it immediately, of course. But if it doesn't aggravate your skin, it's doing well for your skin, use it a few times, use it as directed so you can get the best benefit out of your product. If you have dry skin, if you're like, I am a dry girl, I'm always dry, story of my life, you will love this. Like, it's going to give your skin a good balance of hydration, not have your skin oily, but balance your hydration level out for you. Right now, I've done my skincare routine and I have on a little bit of makeup, and right now my skin, like, I can feel that my skin is hydrated. If you understand what I'm saying, leave me a comment below and let me know if you use the product when you can feel like your skin is actually hydrated because of a product that you use. Even after you put your makeup on, you can just feel the hydration like through your skin. Your skin feels radiant, it's supple. So for the mini size, this is the 1 fluid ounce, and this is definitely travel friendly, you guys. This is something I definitely will take on vacation with me if I'm going out of town, just because you can use on the daily. It's a nice refresher. I love using this at night, but I love using it in the morning as a part of my skincare routine, because it just it sets my skin up for the day and gives me the glow that I need for the day. Full size is 3.3 ounces and it's gonna run you about $62. But it is worth it, you guys. After I'm done with this one, I may just splurge and get the bigger size. It'll last a little longer. I'm gonna try this out, you guys. Get the smaller jar and see if you like it. If you don't, pass it on to a friend, a family member, or even if you wanna gift someone with this. This is just a great mask all around. And in conclusion, I do want to say that this is one of my favorite masks, because you can use it every day. It's not really messy. It's like applying a gel moisturizer on your skin and rinsing it off. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my demo on this side, just kind of briefing you and giving you a simple demonstration on how I use the mask here at home. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments below. I will link this mask so you can check it out. Make sure when you check out the mask at Sephora, they always have gift holiday bundles, so you may be able to get this along with the toner and the cleanser. Sometimes they have those bundles. And holiday season, guys, and I feel like these are the great months to get your hands on some skincare, especially skincare that is pricey, because they're always coming out with great bundle deals where you'll get something like this. Make sure you're looking out for things like that. I will link below if they have any gift sets out available. I will do that as well. Please remember, guys, to read the ingredient list when you are using a product. What works for my skin may not work for you. Know the skin that you have, know your skin type, and that will help you choose which products are best for your skin. That is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you if you're looking to purchase this mask, or if something you've been thinking about. I hope this was a good review and demo for you guys. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at ivysvine_. I will leave it here also. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.